All right, welcome to stage one of the pistol squat. So the pistol squat is what I call a 1%er exercise, or a edge exercise, or basically a separator, right? Because it separates high level skill, high level strength, or it's an edge exercise and only 1% or less of people can do it. So the way we start is, you can see I've got a little stool here, or a chair, or anything that works for you. Doesn't really matter. The height does matter though. So what we're going to do is get a kettlebell that's a little less than 10% your weight. It actually helps to have a little weight. And we're going to lift one leg up, squeeze, exhale, root lock, inhale, squeeze and pull down slowly, pushing your butt back till you just touch it. You're not slamming down on it. And then sit on the chair for a moment. Now squeeze and slowly come up, pushing the hips all the way forward. So from the side, here we go. Leg up, pulling down, butt back, just gently coming down. Sit, exhale, root lock, inhale, squeeze and slowly up and extend the hips forward. Okay, we're not ending here, we're ending here. Now, the key on this is that whatever level you're at, or however difficult this is, if it's a level 10 difficulty, you need to squeeze all the fibers in your muscles to a level 10. Your feet, all the way from your feet into your hands, your core, everything, using that power breath. And that power breath, you're specifically squeezing the stomach and the butt, but everything's really working. And you want to be real controlled. Now, this is going to make your knees bulletproof. This is going to give you the ability to have tons of strength, to be very resilient from injury, and also have the mobility to be able to bring those things together, mobility and strength. All right, enjoy.